many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues.
Billionaire, when you cash it, shopping and spending the cash it. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, but you the cash it. Billionaire, when you cash it, shopping and spending the cash it. There is no mercy.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lomzy. I'm back again with another video. Today's video is how to make this simple dress. It's a very simple dress and is beginner friendly. If that's what you're looking for, continue watching till the end to see how I made this. This is actually very nice and easy to make. So guys, to make this I will use 2 yards of fabric and I'm going to fold it like this. And I'm going to fold it again into 4. To know the amount of fabric you need, you have to take the measurements from the center of your back up to the length of the sleeve. Can you guys see? This is 18 inches. As you can see, that's how I got the measurements that I want. So take the measurement to wherever you want yours to be, and that's the amount of fabric. You times that by 4, and that's what I have here. The next measurement I need is the length of my sleeve, 11 inches, and it's 11 inches because I have added sewing allowance, and that's what made it to 11 inches. The next measurement I need is the dress length. The dress length I need is 38 inches. I'm going to be adding ½ inch sewing allowance this way and 1 inch hemming allowance, which will make it 39.5, and I'm going to mark it here. Take it all the way to the side. So let me cut out the length of the dress so that you'll be seeing where my line stops. Good. So now what I have is the length of my dress. So the next thing I will do is the round measurements. This is a box dress, kind of is a box dress all the way. So the next measurement you need is round the biggest part of your body divided by 4. So round the biggest part of my body divided by 4 is 11 inches, which is 44 divided by 4 is 11 inches. I'm going to add 2 inches easing allowance to that, which will make it 13. And I'm going to add ½ inch sewing allowance to that, which will make it 13.5. I will mark it here. I'm going to take this 13.5 all the way down like that. Remember, this is the simplest dress and is beginner friendly. Very easy to make. Very easy to make. No bust that, nothing. Guys, this is basically it. All you need to do now is to give this place a curve. Just give it a lazy man curve, or you can use your curve ruler to make a curve there. Let me see. Yeah, you can use this to make a curve, and that's basically it. So let me just make a curve here, and that is all we need, guys. So we are going to come to the neckline. So the neckline I'm using is 3 inches for the neck width. The neck depth for the back, I'm going to use 1.5 inches. I'm going to connect this to this. Remember guys that there is a sewing allowance here, so I'm going to just connect this like this. Next, for the front, I'm going to use 4.5 inches for the neck depth for the front. So I'm going to just take this like this. So guys, next I'm going to do is to mark where I will have my side pockets. If there's no side pocket in this dress, you will not like it. The main is either you add a side pocket or you add a patch pocket. But I have a lot of videos that have patch pockets, so I'm going to just make my side pocket. I'll mark it here, 19 inch. If you don't know how to add a side pocket, I'm going to be dropping that in the description section so that you know how to add a side pocket. So guys, Basically, this is all we need to do. So I'm going to cut out this. Guys, forget about this shoulder sloping. There will be no shoulder sloping for this. So I'm just going to cut this out. And I'll cut out the neckline for the back. I'm going to take away the front. Let me cut this open. Now we are going to cut facing for these things.